You've been watching the radar. We've had a lot of activity here this afternoon, just like you were talking about we probably would see when we were talking yesterday.
Yeah, so we've already had several warnings. In fact, every county in the Metroplex was under a warning at some point within the last hour or so. And I want to start here. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect. Oh, I'm sorry. We're going to go to that in a second. We do have crews live.
Yes,
in Grapevine.
We do. Obviously today was supposed to be a day when they were going to have all these booths set up, people milling about out there and so forth. And yeah, that parade is definitely getting rained on. And you can see there, Jesse, at least some small hail coming down there. You've been seeing that across DFW up to what, quarter-sized so far? Yeah,
so far the biggest report we've seen, quarters. And right now you can see some pretty dark clouds here in Dallas. So if you have events this evening, the thing is, the thunderstorms are going to be so scattered about the area. If you have a plan B to be inside, probably the best bet, especially until we get past this severe thunderstorm watch, which is in effect for all of the Metroplex and most of North Texas until 8 p.m. So this is the area where thunderstorms have been developing. It's where they are now. And here's the latest look at radar. We have no severe thunderstorm warnings showing up here in the Metroplex right now, but you see some very heavy thunderstorms, very heavy rain, lots of lightning, some small hail from the Colony over to Louisville, eastern Tarrant County. There was a severe thunderstorm warning until 4 o'clock. That has been expired. It has not been reissued. So currently no warnings in effect in our area, but some very heavy beneficial rain, Blue Ridge over to Princeton along 380. Again, these are not severe, but at any moment they may pulse up and produce up to quarter-size hail. But you see these thunderstorms that were severe thunderstorm warning kind of lifting into Dallas County now. So as we take a wider view to show you what's happening, these are all forming along what we call an old outflow boundary. So this is not the cold front. The cold front's still to the northwest, and that may trigger a few more thunderstorms later this evening. So as we take a look at Timecast, we have this scattering of thunderstorms now. Here comes the cold front. See, there it is at 7. You see some thunderstorms kind of popping along and ahead of this cold front. At 9 o'clock this evening, thunderstorms still possible. They will really go down in intensity as we get into the second half of this evening. So we're not expecting severe weather overnight. The severe thunderstorm watch is in effect again until 8 p.m. So coming up, we'll talk about this chance for severe weather and what lies behind the cold front, Jason. A nice weekend ahead.